Today we are going to take a look inside the boat, and I'm going to show you which projects are planned for the winter. One thing that has already been done by the vendor is completely new upholstery. It's become absolutely beautiful, I really love it. And here's this winter's projects. Let's start with the 3D printer. We've got the DC-DC converter. This is the Victron shunt I'm going to install. I'm going to install this LED strip and this beautiful water filters. One project I've already started is converting the cabinets. I've added contact paper to the corners. Here you can see how it looked before, it was just wood. And I think it gives it a much more modern look. Very nice thing. I'm going to take these curtains out of the boat and I'm going to stain them gray. Let's see how that looks. I tried to wash them, but they still have yellow stains. I don't like that at all. That's it. Those were the projects for the winter. I'm also going to add labels to the engine room so that I can find my way around much better. I will also add a solar panel on the top, but that's a story for another video. See you then.